Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize crypto donations with the Giving Block, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize crypto donations using the Giving Block, begin by visiting their official website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields, including your organization's name and email address. Once registered, confirm your email to activate your account. Log into your newly created account. Navigate to the dashboard to access donation tools. Select Integration to find the various options available for your website. Choose between embedding a donation form or using a donation button. For the embedded form, customize the fields to match your organization's branding. Copy the generated code snippet provided for the form. Paste this snippet into your website's HTML where you want the donation form to appear. If using a donation button, customize its design and copy the URL link. Place the button link wherever you want it on your site, ensuring it's easily accessible. Next, set up a wallet for receiving crypto donations if you haven't already. Follow the wallet setup instructions provided on the Giving Block site. Once your wallet is ready, link it within your account settings on the Giving Block. Familiarize yourself with the Analytics dashboard to track donations. Monitor donation trends and donor engagement closely. Utilize insights to refine your fundraising strategies effectively. Promote your new crypto donation capabilities through social media and email news. Encourage supporters to consider crypto donations as a tax-efficient way to contribute. Regularly update your community about the impact of their crypto donations. This ensures transparency and encourages continued support. By following these steps, you can successfully optimize crypto donations with the Giving Block. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.